Well, here goes. It's the Rationell drawer by IKEA, and just an expansion on what we've already learned from my first video that I did on how to remove the drawer from the drawer unit from the cupboard. So this is the plastic lever that we pressed to release the drawer on both sides. We need to press that side and the other side. And the next question I was asked was about the drawer fronts, and there's a couple of things to learn here. The first is you've got a height adjustment with this first screw, so that is to raise or lower the drawer, the drawer front, so that you can get this level here. And the next one is the rear screw here, which allows you to move the drawer left or right, so that will help you get this gap correct here. And you can alter both screws, that is the one on the right hand side and the one on the left hand side. But the other question I was asked was what about if this drawer front is loose? And this has taken some working out, but the actual drawer front is not connected to the base with any dowels, because I've slid this palette knife all the way along from left to right, and there's no connection between the drawer front and the base. So what is holding it is this plastic connection here. I'm guessing there's some sort of plastic, what would you call it, a projection fixed inside the front, which goes into this plastic housing, and that enables the adjustment. So how can this be loose? So the only thing I can ask you to check is, firstly, has this screw come loose at the rear of the drawer? And the other thing is, has it been pulled so much that the tabs here, okay, have been yanked away from the back, this metal back? So just have a look at that. I'm not sure if you can see it, if it's light enough, but yeah, there's the tabs there. So maybe just bend this in that direction, so that it's catching the back of this plate, and see if that works for you. I haven't found another way of tightening the drawer front to the drawer base. Just doesn't seem to be possible, and these are all kind of knocked into place there with these tabs into the groove, so that just allows the positioning of the drawer sides. So yeah, any comments, anything else you find out yourself, please let me know in the comments. That would be great. Thanks, have a good day, bye.